Hello folks, welcome to Gunawaga, Utah's Garage. If you are just seeing this video, it's my little intro video. Welcome to my channel. I've been on YouTube for about 2 years. Do I know what I'm doing? No. What am I? I'm a little shop channel. I like collecting tools. I like welding things. I like tearing apart Hondas, and I move my garage. I play with welders. I buy old tools. I collect stuff. I tinker with things. I make signs. I work on stuff for my business, and I scrap stuff and build things and constantly breaking stuff. So if you like random stuff that has to do with old tools, new tools, and welding machines and shop tools and a cluster frick of stuff, you came to the right channel. And if you're new here, don't forget to help I wouldn't say young YouTuber, but younger than some people out there. Help a newer YouTuber out, and don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and check out my channel. I have all kinds of videos. I fixed toys. I've played with toys. My kids come on the channel once in a while and say hi. So if you like something different, I have tons of videos. I apologize for the older ones. I didn't know what I was doing. Some are bad. So what can we do? Anyway, thanks for joining my channel. Thanks for coming to watch my channel, and toodles. Hope you enjoy it.